Highly autonomous combined arms brigades. What changes? Brigades will integrate AI-enabled command aids, autonomous IFVs/APCs, robotic engineers, and logistic convoys. Why it matters? Automation reduces manpower needs and speeds sensor-to-shooter loops. Operational consequence. Faster, continuous operations with smaller crews. Commanders will execute complex maneuvers at tempo humans alone couldn't sustain. Swarms of lethal and non-lethal unmanned systems at platoon scale. What changes? Squads and platoons deploy micro-UAS swarms, loitering munitions, ground robots for reconnaissance, and anti-personnel/anti-armor effects. Why it matters? Mass low-cost autonomy overwhelms traditional point defenses. Operational consequence. Frontline attrition and area denial increase. Infantry must disperse, rely on counter-swarm EW, and accept higher sensor saturation. AI-enabled decision support and semi-autonomous fires. What changes? Real-time sensor fusion and targeting algorithms route prolific target data into human-supervised engagement chains. Why it matters? Decision time compresses dramatically. Human oversight retained for high-level targeting. Operational consequence. Rapid, precise artillery/rocket/loitering munitions strikes degrade enemy cohesion. Defenders face near-continuous, precision harassment. Networked, resilient battlefield communications. Post-GPS/PNT alternatives. What changes? Mesh networks, resilient PNT, including inertial/quantum-assisted and quantum-resistant comms, reduce reliance on vulnerable satellites. Why it matters? Keep C2 functioning under hostile electronic/kinetic attacks. Operational consequence. Sustained coordination during counterspace or EW campaigns. Maneuver units can operate longer in denied environments. Advanced counter-battery and anti-armor lethality. What changes? AI-guided rounds, precision artillery, loitering munitions, and smart top-attack munitions counter traditional armor. Why it matters? Massed armored thrusts become more costly unless combined with signature reduction and deception. Operational consequence. Armor doctrine shifts to combined arms with active protection systems, unmanned flank screens, and dispersed formations. Directed energy and electronic warfare at brigade level. What changes? Portable high-power microwaves and tactical lasers for disabling sensors, drones, and electronics. Integrated EW packages for jamming/spoofing. Why it matters? Non-kinetic defeat of systems reduces need for expensive munitions and degrades enemy ISR. Operational consequence. Frontline units that rely on unprotected electronics become vulnerable. Stealthy, hardened systems gain premium. Autonomous logistics and predictive sustainment. What changes? Robotic resupply convoys, autonomous aerial resupply, predictive inventory scheduling via AI. Why it matters? Reduces supply vulnerability and shortens resupply cycles even under interdiction. Operational consequence. Operational endurance increases, sustained offensives and garrison resilience without massive human logistics tails. Low signature, modular force posture. What changes? Vehicles and equipment designed for rapid reconfiguration, signature reduction, and modular payloads, munition pods, comms, medevac. Why it matters? Forces can adapt quickly to mission changes and reduce detection by multispectral sensors. Operational consequence. Greater operational flexibility and survivability in a contested sensor environment. Human performance augmentation and integrated medical tech. What changes? Field deployable rapid diagnostics, neurocognitive aids for decision fatigue, exoskeletons for load carriage. Why it matters? Increases soldier endurance, reduces non-combat attrition, and speeds casualty recovery. Operational consequence. Small units stay combat effective longer. Operational tempo and reach improve. Advanced training ecosystems using simulation and digital twins. What changes? Nationwide, cloud/edge-powered simulators and digital twin battlefields produce realistic training at scale. Why it matters? Faster doctrinal iteration and better prepared troops for complex, multi-domain operations. Operational consequence. Units achieve mission readiness